Hi everyone, I'm Catherine. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth, and today I'm going to show you how to use a really cool feature, which is our self-care tracking. Neolth has lots of guided activities from doctors and therapists that will walk you through step by step how to do those activities. And those are great, but we know that there are other things that you might do for your mental health and well-being that you want to track and get credit for. So that's exactly how our self-care tracking feature works. And I'm going to share my screen and just jump right into it. So if you go to the practices tab, there's our practice library. In another video, I walk you through that. Those are all of our guided practices from our therapists. But there's also self-care activities. You can create a new activity just by hitting create new. It can be something that's one time, reoccurring. Maybe there's a club at school that you go to every week that you want to track. You enjoy doing that. I'm just going to hit one time. Maybe I really like going out for a coffee with my friends. Whatever the activity is, you can create that and you'll see it show up right here in your self-care library. You can always go back in, modify activities, or even delete activities afterwards. You can add the self-care activities into your calendar, just going to the calendar section. You'll see if you've added a self-care activity that it shows up in your calendar. You can always delete or reschedule those. You can even drag and drop activities right into your calendar. I like adding self-care activities directly from my dashboard calendar because it's really simple and easy to do. You can just hit this button here, add self-care activity, pick the activity that you want to add in, pick the date. You can even do this in advance and schedule it. And you'll see it show up on your calendar. Once you've completed an activity, you can actually go in, mark it as done, and you'll see that you get credit for it. So this is a great way just to track different activities that you're doing for your mental health and well-being. And we hope that you enjoy this self-care tracking feature. See you next time.